It was the fourth day of flight testing for the Kit Fox. As a low-time tailwheel pilot, I decided to skip the by-the-book flight testing and just practice flying the plane by doing a lot of touch and goes.
Radio and transponder on. Walking altitude 1200. Flight plan is to stay in the pattern. Lights, I'll turn on the strobes when I enter the runway. I've tested the brakes. Gauges are in the green. Oil pressure, oil temperature, bolts, water temperature looks good. RPMs, fuel pressure, everything looks A-OK. Okay, doors are latched. Belts are on. Cameras are running. Cloud Ahoy is running. Mockley traffic, Kit Fox 1018 Romeo. Taking runway 36 for some closed pattern work, Mockley. Okay, strobe. That mixture. Okay. Traffic looks clear. Don't see anybody or hear anybody except for the paraglider guy out here. A couple of those guys. Okay, here we go. Fix neutral. Okay, abort plan is I can always land straight ahead or take a right onto runway 9. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left crosswind, runway 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left downwind, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left base, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning final, 36 to Mockley.
Making standard traffic position reports is part of my makeup as a pilot, and it just feels right. Little did I know I was about to be corrected.
Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left crosswind, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left crosswind, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left base, 36 to Mockley.
Mockley traffic to the Kit Fox. You don't need to make phony radio calls. It's a small town airport. You're the reason why pilots don't like to listen to radios. The radio. Mockley traffic to the Kit Fox. You don't need to make phony radio calls. It's a small town airport. You're the reason why pilots don't like to listen to radios. The radio.
Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, turning left crosswind, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, left downwind, 36 to Mockley. Mockley traffic, white Kit Fox, left base.
Contrary to the free advice I received on the aircraft radio, there is some widely accepted conventional wisdom on the topic that's readily available for anyone who cares to look. As shown here, the Aeronautical Information Manual, or AIM, provides clear guidance on these essential communication procedures. For outbound traffic, it advises to self-announce before taxiing and before taxiing on the runway for departure. And for inbound traffic, 10 miles out, entering downwind, base, and final, leaving the runway. decided to use the Immokalee Municipal Airport for my Phase 1 flight testing for a number of good reasons. First, it's a non-towered airport surrounded by large areas of flat, open fields. The next best thing is that the runways are oriented 90 degrees from each other but do not actually cross. A loss of power taking off from either 27 or 36 gives you another 5,000 plus feet of open space available with only a 90-degree turn. Due to its location near the center of the state, Immokalee is a nice quiet airport each day right after sunup. But by mid-morning there's lots of training activity from both coasts, pilots practicing instrument approaches, flyers dropping in for the good fuel prices. By midday it can be like the Wild West with multiple aircraft inbound, in the pattern, awaiting their turn to depart, taxiing to and fro, and waiting in line for fuel.